Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. It's March 3rd, just doing a midwinter checkup on the old tractor. What I like to do is go through a few things, especially tomorrow we're expecting over a foot of snow. First of all, I'm going to inspect all the tires, and they all appear to be holding air great. I haven't had to add any air to the tires since I purchased the tractor. Next thing you're going to want to check is your oil on the dipstick, and mine's right between the safe and full mark. Another thing, I did a video on changing the antifreeze, and that's still nice and green. It means I don't have any head gasket leaks, and I haven't had to add any antifreeze to it. Again, I did a video too on changing the oil in the tractor, and the oil stays at the proper level. I haven't had to add any. Another thing too, I do this usually every second plow, because I do 3 driveways, sometimes 4. I check all the grease fittings on the suspension. See, I have one right there, and grease fittings right there on both sides. One other thing that I always do is, you have all your moving parts. I'll spray some penetrating oil in all the moving part locations. And down there for your 3-point for your rear lift, your lift arms. And I'll do that on both sides. I'll also go through and check all the lights. Again, I have my 2 front LED headlights. I have some tuck tape holding the front emblem tight. It loosened up a little bit in the back, so I'll take care of that in the springtime. And I have my 2 LED lights on the back, and again my amber flasher. And again, for points in the back, I'll spray penetrating oil right here, in there, up in here for your arm. Just saves it from rusting and seizing up. Also start the tractor and check to make sure it still has good oil pressure. And there's the proof meter. Right now it's showing 47 hours. This is a replacement that I put in, and I believe this is running fairly fast, because I don't think I put 47 hours on this tractor this winter. And I still need to hook up my amp meter, so what I do is, to make sure the charging system's working, I have a 12-volt plug. And I have an adapter I can plug in here, and it will actually show my voltage. So when the tractor is running and charging, it's getting close to 14 volts. So I'm getting a good charge out of the battery. And again, I've replaced the alternator on it. And you also want to check your alternator belt too. And I've also swapped out the battery. It's got a Kirkland or a Costco brand deep cycle battery. And there's the specs on it. It's quite a big battery. It's 750 marine cranking amps and 115 amp hour battery. There's your fuel bowl. It's a nice clean fuel in it. So again, we're supposed to get about a foot of snow tomorrow, so what I wanted to do is go through, check all my grease points, check all my fluids, my oil. Again, also your hydraulic fluid, your antifreeze, and you check your hydraulic fluid right through the dipstick right there, and mine's at the proper level. You want to check over your charging system, make sure it's got lots of fresh fuel. That way in the morning or tomorrow sometime when I got to go out to plow, I know that I've gone through everything and it's all ready to go. Anyways guys, just a little update on the tractor. Again, I've probably got another month and a half left of plowing with it. And knock on wood, it's worked fantastic. It started in minus 30 temperature without any issues. So again, just a little update on the things that I check over on my tractor before any big winter storm. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.